Hi, folks. It's me, Michael Bach, your diversity dude, and it's time for another episode of Monday Morning Musings. And it's going to be a rant. I want to talk about something that happened to me personally, and it's got me really ticked off. So, husband and I recently got a mortgage on our cottage, and we went with a credit union on this one, and love the credit union. Great people, not the point. As part of the process, they encouraged us to get some insurance, life and disability specifically. We have some insurance, not a lot, but insurance is insurance. It's you're damned if you do, you're damned if you don't. And I tend to err on the side of caution. Anyway, we went with this policy. We filled out the application. We go through an interview, both of us, independently, just to verify our medical history. Fine, everything's good. Got a letter in the mail. Said insurance company, and I'm not going to say their name. I was going to say their name, but I'm not going to because I don't believe in the name and shame thing. I'm just, you know who you are. So said insurance company sends the letter to my husband, says, denies him entirely. No insurance for him. No life, no disability. Because he has self-admitted to living with a chronic illness. With me, they approve my life insurance, but they provide me a special offer on disability. They'll give me disability insurance, except it will exclude two things. One, anything related to mental illness, because I have self-declared that I live with depression and take medication. And two, anything to do with my back, because I self-declared that I'd had surgery a few years ago to repair some chronic damage to my back. What? So you are discriminating against both me and my husband based on our disability. This is a human rights complaint waiting to happen. It is revolting to me that an insurance company in this day and age, in 2018, would do this. That my husband is fully declined insurance because of his chronic illness, even though other insurance companies have caught up long ago. Two that come to mind immediately, Manulife and Sun Life Financial. I will say their names because they're doing good stuff. If you're getting insurance, you should get it from them. It is amazing to me that in this day and age, insurance companies are able to pull this nonsense where they discriminate against people because of pre-existing conditions. My husband is never going to die from his chronic illness because he'll probably die from my own hands. I shouldn't have said that on video. My depression is never an issue because I'm medicated. I see a doctor. I'm in great condition. I'm never going to need to go on disability because of my mental illness. And my back, I had surgery. It's fixed the problem. Well, so why not make sure that you put in a caveat that, anything to do with your legs, if you ever have to go on disability because of your legs, because, you walk, there's potential for an accident there. It is absolutely despicable to me that this insurance company is allowed to get away with this. So my message is this. One, to the insurance company, pull your head out of your ass. It is time to get with the program and start offering insurance that actually is good for people. Otherwise, get out of the insurance game. And two is to my bank, my credit union. I love you. I love you. Time to change insurance providers. And yes, I have written to them and told them about my experience. And because it's a credit union and I am a member, I actually have the ability to get something changed. So I will be speaking to members of the leadership about pulling their business from this insurance company because of their discriminatory practices. Anyway, that's it for me. I hope you're having a fabulous week, maybe a better week than me. Please remember to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the link that is somewhere near my face at this point. And I will see you next Monday for another episode of Monday Morning Musings. Bye.